Joining us now for CNBC Exclusive is Bausch Lomb CEO Brent Saunders. Welcome back, Brent. Good to see you.
Thank you, Sarah. It's great to be with you.
What is it a reflection of when it comes to eye care doing better, a company that you've turned around since you've become CEO? Is it the moves you're making? Is it something with the consumer? Is it discretionary?
Yeah, it's multifactorial. I think first and foremost, when you put up a quarter of constant currency, 20% growth, and you see growth across all of our businesses in every region of the world, you have to say first it's the team here executing and really being re-energized to focus on our consumers and patients and put the work in. I think second is, you're right, is that these are growing markets across the board. Most of our markets in eye care grow in mid-single digit. Remember, most eye disease is related to age, and the world is aging. And then environmental factors like screen time, and we all know how much time everybody's in front of a screen, certainly are a tailwind in growth in this market. And then last, innovation. When you drive new products and you offer consumers and patients real innovation and real opportunities to see value in your products, it's usually the winning formula.
150 million U.S. adults experience occasional or frequent symptoms of dry eye. So they have to be treated. And how undiagnosed and sort of undertreated is this condition?
Yeah, so you see a full range, right? There are about 150 million Americans with symptoms of dry eye, and about 40 million of those that likely need prescription intervention. And so what's great about our position is we have the full spectrum. We have OTC eye drops in Blink or BioTrue in the United States. And then we have the two leading prescription options, Mibo for evaporative dry eye and Xiidra for inflammatory dry eye. And so, to the extent we can drive some of those 40 million in to see an eye care professional and get treated, we offer great options. Only about 1.5 million actually treat today. And then for the remaining, 110 million, they should go to the Walmart or their drugstore and pick up a Blink or BioTrue eye drop to alleviate symptoms.
So beyond that, where does growth come from? You're known as a prolific deal maker. Everyone remembers Allergan and Abbey. Are there deals to be had in this sector in the same way?
Yeah, I mean, this ecosystem is filled with innovation. It's not the mega mergers of perhaps that, I guess I did a lot of in the past. This is more about incremental innovation. And, we've really beefed up our R&D expertise, our business development, and we are starting to really now make innovations in really cutting edge leading innovation for significant eye diseases, whether it be back of the eye retina or ocular surface disease, as well as continuing to innovate in our contact lenses. We have a really strong internal R&D team there. And then, of course, in consumer, where we continue to take products like Lumify for eye whitening and innovate that product and continue to grow it.
Brent, how reliant are you on Medicare and health insurance? And I wonder if you see any changes. It's not necessarily the kind of top of mind issue in the election that we've seen historically, but, Vice President Kamala Harris, when she was a candidate at least, was talking about Medicare for all.
Yeah, you're right. And it is important to us. Our pharmaceutical business in the U.S. does really, as I said, eye disease is a disease of aging. So Medicare population really do need innovation in eye care. And this election really hasn't been about pharma. But what I would say to both candidates is, we have a national treasure here in the United States, the innovation engine of biotech and the biopharmaceutical industry. And we should figure out how to really move from treating disease to curing it. And the government should support this industry, not vilify it for the efforts that it's doing in science.